and someone had cut the quid already. Someone at 35 quid, I think, get it to here.
So there.
Well, I did cut the quid already, didn't I? The Dutch bit.